Hi, welcome Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making Khao Poon, Laos or curry noodle chicken. I have chicken from Sam's Club. I won't be using all of it, probably half or maybe a quarter for two of us. It's a lot of chicken. And I like to put some blood sausage. This is already pre-cooked. I got it at the store. If not, it comes in a container. You have to cook it. And in there we have curry. I have two types of curry. I like to use red curry. They come in a paste like this, either in a tub or a can. You know, for a small one, you can just use a can here. They have this kind from this one. And also they have another one. It's also red curry, a big old tub here. And in there I like to put bamboo. We have two kind. I like to use the strip, the smaller one. If you want chunky, you can use the bigger one or a whole bamboo if you want. Then we have coconut milk. I like coconut cream, this one. This one's coconut milk, you know, if you want it. But the cream's more thicker. If you're not too much of a coconut fan, probably use the coconut milk. And the noodle I have right here, it's called rice stick. I always say Khao Poon. It's like this. I would say it's probably like a medium, kind of like a angel hair size when you cook it. Not as thick as spaghetti. And this is a brand I like to use. They have lots of brands and types. Here's the one. It comes in like this, comes in 4 of them. It makes quite a bit. I think for us two, we're just going to use 2 of them, which is probably still quite a bit. Is it okay. I'm also going to add some chili pepper, some lemongrass, garlic, and some little bit sliced ginger in there to give it a little bit more flavoring, since I didn't make it like the original, you know, paste where you grind all this stuff together. Just kind of a fast pace. And I'll put some onions in it, either red or white onions. And then for the topping, I have some onions, carrots, cilantro, bean sprout, and cabbage. Okay, I'll start by boiling 3 to 4 cups of water. Let me add my lemongrass, just a couple stalk, I already smushed. A couple garlic, some gingers and pepper, just throw that all in. Okay, since I added everything in, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken I kind of mashed up. That was probably a quarter of a chicken. It might be too much too. I'm going to see how much I'm going to add. See, just throw it in there. Let it cook with all the bones and stuff. Okay, just let that boil and simmer. Add some onions and see all this skim. Kind of dump it out. It won't be no good. Just a little bit. I cooked 3 stacks of noodle. Yeah. I gotta take about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it a little bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. The noodle's about done. Look, it's really cloudy, the water, and it's getting soft just by feeling it, I guess. With your fork, I can kind of tell it's already done in water. Take it out. You can just dump it and drain. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and I'm going to turn it back to kind of a medium. I'm going to start with just putting bamboo in the strip. I like the bamboo. It's a small can. I'm going to use it all. If you don't like too much, you can use half. And the blood sausage. Go ahead and put that. I probably use half of this. Too much. Okay. The curry paste. 1 spoon. Let's start with 2. I might use it all. Then I'm going to add the coconut cream. You stir it. It's kind of thick here. I'm going to add half of a can here. The coconut. And just let it cook for a little bit. Let all that ingredient soak in. Chicken. Uh-oh. Oh. Ooh, too much onion. I don't like all that onion. I like the smoked. And if it's too salty, you can squeeze a lime in there. I taste the broth first before I eat the noodle. It has a kick, a little bit spicy for me. It's good.